Sinurpresa si Chinita Princess Kim Chiu ng kanyang mga pamangkin. Gumala nga si Kim kasama ang kanyang dalawang pamangkin. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang aktres sa ginawang effort ng dalawa. 2 weeks ago, my niece Rain casually asked when Lay Free Day was. I asked her Lay. She said it was supposed to be a surprise, but ended up showing me Tupperware full of saved money. I was shocked. 50 and 11 years old, and already planning, saving, and treating me on my birthday. Nilay babies are growing up so fast. They said just tell them free weekend and they'll book everything. And now, here we are. Celebrating Nilay birthday, their treat, their idea. Can't even put into words how touched I am. The tita in me was like. It may seem small to others, but to me, it's everything. The sweetest, most thoughtful, and heart-melting gift. Happy birthday ni Emmy, indeed. Thank you, Rain and Liam. I love you both so much. Always and forever. I will always be here for you. Always. Thank you for giving me one of the most memorable birthdays I ever had. Sa kabilang banda spotted sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino kaninang umaga kung saan ay nakasama rin nila sa pagja-jogging ang ilan sa kanilang mga kapwa-artista.
Baligtad yung happy birthday natin. Yan. Nasira na! Ay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!